Hey everyone, welcome back again sa ating channel. Today, we're going to unbox and review the WS4 Guitar Wireless System. This is an affordable yet high-quality wireless solution for guitarists who want to move around without worrying about cables. So, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's check out what inside the box. When you open it, makikita mo agad ang dalawang main units, the wireless transmitter and receiver. Both are pretty compact and lightweight, kaya madaling dalhin at gamitin mga kaibigan. Kasama rin sa package ang dual-ended USB cable for charging. Ang maganda dito, Type-C USB na siya, so mabilis mag-charge at may clear instructions on how to connect them. Finally, may kasama din itong manual na will help you set up everything properly, especially kung first time mo gumamit ng wireless system. So, pasensya na guys, medyo maingay dito kasi ang daming manok. Now, let's talk about the design. First, the build quality is solid, hindi cheap feeling, Both units are well built, kaya siguradong matibay. The transmitter has a simple button to turn it on, the same as with the receiver. Kung titingnan mong mabuti, both pieces have a sleek, modern design that looks professional, though it's not. One thing I love about the WS4 is how compact it is. Hindi siya malaki, so hindi mahirap ilagay sa gig bag mo or even sa gig itself, diba? Especially kung beginners ka, pwede na mga kaibigan. Next up, let's check out the features ng WS. It has a high-definition transmission with a simple rate of 48 kHz and 16 beats. Kaya clear na clear ang tunog mga kaibigan. Perfect siya for gigs or practice because you won't hear any distortion or drop-in quality kahit malayo ka saan. So itatry natin yan mamaya mga kaibigan. In terms of transmission band, gumagamit siya ng 2.4 GHz ISM, which is very pretty common and stable. It's great because it minimizes interference, especially kung marami kayong wireless devices sa venue. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng signal issues, kaibigan. Another awesome feature is the 4 available channels. Kung may interference or signal drop, madali kang makakapili ng ibang channel para makahanap ng clean signal. Diba? Mas maganda yon. Plus, may channel indicator sa bawat unit, transmitter at yung receiver. Kaya madaling malaman kung anong channel ka nakaset. In terms of controls, super simple lang mga kaibigan, no? Meron kang power switch at channel switch button. Sa isang pindot lang, pwede ka nang mag-switch ng channel or patayin ang device. Ganun lang kasimple. Isa sa pinakamagandang feature ng WS is how easy it is to use. Walang komplikadong setup. Kung nasanay ka sa mga wired setup, you'll be amazed kung gaano kabilis i-setup ito. Just plug the receiver into your amplifier. Sa mga first-time users katulad ko, don't worry, the manual is clear enough to guide you through everything. Kasi meron naman siyang manual, di ba? Now, ang WS4 uses a Type-C USB interface for charging, which is super convenient. Wala nang kailangan ng mga special charging cables. Just use your regular USB cable. It takes just 10 minutes of charging to get enough power for a short session. Ganun lang. Although, hindi ito pang long hours of usage. Kung short gigs lang or practice sessions, okay na siya. Diba? Pero kung meron kayong talagang live performance na medyo matagal, hindi natin i-recommend ang wireless system na ito. Okay? So, much better kung gagamit tayo ng wired para walang problema. Now, anyways, let's go into the most important thing, sound quality. Since this system offers 48 kHz and 16 beats transmission, expect clear and crisp audio. Titingnan nga natin ngayon. During my testing, I didn't experience any noticeable delay or distortion, which is a big deal para sa wireless systems. Whether you're playing clean tones or distorted riffs, so maganda pa rin ang tunog. You won't feel na may pagkakaiba sa sound quality compared to using a wired connection. So, na-try na namin kasi sa diocese ng aming lugar dito, ng El Shaddai, kasi kasali kami ng El Shaddai, no, music ministry. Ang ginamit ng lead guitars namin ay wireless, itong wireless talaga. Tapos yung bass namin is kasi low back, hindi siya nadala, so wired na lang. So overall, I think the WS4 guitar wireless system is fantastic choice for guitarists who want a simple, reliable, and affordable wireless solution. It's easy to use, has great sound quality, and charging system is very convenient. For its price point of 600 plus pesos, it offers excellent value for me. Para sa akin, very excellent na kasi napaka-budget lang siya. Kung naghahanap ka ng wireless system na hindi ka bibigyan ng headaches, this is definitely a system you should consider. Yeah, try mo lang kaibigan. Practices, gigs, pwede na mga kaibigan, pwede na. That's it for today's review. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about WS4 or kung meron kayong mga ganitong wireless or ginagamit na ibang wireless na brand, no? Pwede kayong mag-comment sa baba para at least malaman ko din at matry ko soon. See you next round. Happy recording, everyone.